Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to be making cumin rice. I hope you enjoy. So let's go straight to the ingredients. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of cumin, or 1.5. Then you're going to need bay leaves. I used 2. Then I also used 3 cinnamon sticks and a tablespoon of salt. Then of course you're also going to need your rice. I used 3 cups of rice. So if you're using less rice, use less amount of cumin seeds. So the first step, guys, is to oil your pots just like that. Then next, guys, I'm going to put in my whole spices, the bay leaves and the cinnamon sticks, just like that. Then over here, guys, I'm adding my cumin seeds, and you're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. You don't want your cumins to burn, and they tend to burn quickly, so be careful. Then after like 2 minutes, you're going to add in your rice. Make sure you wash your rice just like that. You're going to add in your rice. Then over here, guys, I'm mixing my rice together with my whole spices, including the cumin seeds. And now I'm adding in my salt. I used a tablespoon. You can use more if you like, or less. That just depends on you. Then I'm going to mix it together just like that. And now, guys, I'm going to start adding in my water. I'm going to add 1 glass first. Then I'm going to let it cook for about a few seconds, just a few seconds. Then I'm going to add in my water now. Because I used 3 cups of rice, I'm going to be using 6 cups of water. You just double the amount of water according to your rice. Then, guys, I'm just going to mix everything well together, and I'm going to cover this for about 3 minutes. Then, guys, 3 minutes later, this is how our rice is looking. And now I'm going to remove my whole spices. I mean the bay leaves and the cinnamon sticks. Don't remove your cumin seeds. They're the whole point of the dish. And now, guys, over here my water has dried up a little bit. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook in really low heat until it's dried up completely. So guys, over here our cumin rice is ready. At times you need to switch up your rice a little bit. Don't just have the normal plain rice, and it's really easy as well. So you can have this with a really nice curry. I have a curry that would be perfect for this. I'm going to link it on top there. Make sure to check it out. Also, when you get to try this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on my social media handle. That's Cook.with.Raniyah on Instagram. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and your friends. Please, guys, just share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still